مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Today we are going to learn English 2 Unit 7 and it is measuring. So it's all about numbers. So our topic for today or an objective is to integrate other areas of the curriculum through English, which is maths. Okay, so are you all ready? So but first and foremost, we are going to have a recap. So everybody, what is this? What's the color of this transportation? It is color white. And what is this called? It's a plane. Okay, everybody say it again. Plane. Okay, next. This one is color blue, red, yellow, and white. What is this? This is a helicopter. Everybody say it with me. Helicopter. Again, helicopter. Next. Beep, beep. Okay, everybody knows what this is called. It is color green and orange. And this is called car. Everybody say it with me. Car. Next. All right. So we use this for going to different places by sea. So what is this? Okay, it's color red, white, black, yellow stripes, and blue. So it's called ship. Very good. This is called ship. Everybody say it with me. Ship. Right. Yesterday we drew and wrote about an amazing car, plane, ship, or helicopter on your copybook. So this is also one of the example. This is the helicopter. This is my helicopter. It's blue and red. It's small. It's got a TV in it. I'd like to go to Turkey in it with my friends. Who wants to own a helicopter? Everybody wants to own a helicopter. All right. So let's go on with our lesson. Everybody, look at the picture. So this is the girl, and she was measured by this bricks, and we call it height. Everybody say height. Again, height. So we measure height on how tall a person or object is standing up. Standing up. So for example, with this one, you're measuring how tall is a person. You can see here in this picture that this teacher is measuring the girl. How tall is the girl? So she is standing up. Okay? She is standing up. Also, we are measuring on how tall is an object. So for example, this first picture and the second picture. So the tree is taller than this one. So we call it tall and this is low. So here in this picture, you are going to number the objects from tallest to shortest. We are going to answer this picture. So here, what do you think is the tallest of these three buildings? 1, 2, or 3? Okay. What is the tallest? So here in the middle. Very good. So we are going to answer it number 1. Next, this one or this one? Which one is the tallest? This one or this one? Okay, this one. So we are going to number it 2. And the last one, we are going to number it 3. The rest, children, you are going to answer. Good luck answering. Next is the length. Everybody say it with me. Length. Okay. What is length? Length is a type of measurement. It tells us how long or wide something is. So we compare the length into the height. The height measures how tall, but the length measures how long or wide something is. So for example, measurement of length, footstep. Everybody say footstep. Handspan, arm length. Again, footstep. Again, footstep. So this is the footstep. Handspans. Again, handspan. So this is the handspan. Say arm length. Arm length. So this is the arm length. Okay? Footstep. Can you point your foot, children? And say footstep. Very good. Handspan. Can you point your hand? Show your hands. And say handspan. Handspan. So it measures the fingers, the span of your hand. And can you point your arm? Just like here in this picture. Okay, very good. And everybody say arm length. Arm length. Okay. Very good, children. So now length tells us how long or wide something is. An example is or are these pencils. This one is long and this one is short. Again, this pencil is long and this pencil is short. As an exercise, color in the measurement bars up to the right length to match each line. So this first bar, can you color how long this is? So you're going to color this one. And the second bar, you're going to color this one. And the third bar, you're going to color this one. And the fourth bar, you're going to color this one. Good luck answering. Let's go to centimeter and millimeter. So everybody, look at this one, this very long line. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Everybody, can you count it with me? How many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these long lines are called centimeters. So these are the centimeters, okay? How about the millimeters? Children, the millimeters are the short lines. So can you count it with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we are going to include the long lines to the millimeter. Children, every 10 millimeters. There are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Again, there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. So these are also millimeters. You understand? These are also millimeters. And there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. So to measure small things, we use centimeters and millimeters. There are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Can you tell me which one here is the centimeter? 1. Very good. How about the others? How about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Are there also centimeters? Yes, they are also centimeters. How about the millimeters? These are the millimeters, including these long line. Okay? So these are the millimeters. The short line, are the millimeters. So we are going to answer students book page 90 and workbook page 90. So on your students book page 90, we are going to look and read. Everybody, can you read it with me? We measure things to find out how big they are. As you can see in this first picture, The buses are measured with height and length. Are they the same? Height and length? No, they are not the same. You measure the bus, how tall is the bus through height. And you measure how long or how wide is the bus through length. So on your second picture, you are going to answer which one is the height and which one is the length. You're going to answer line A or line B. Good luck answering. Number 2, read, look, and measure. To measure small things, we use centimeters and millimeters. There are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. A ruler, this one is the ruler. It helps us to measure small things. Let's use it to measure the length of the pencils. Pencil A is 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. You're going to measure this. Pencil B is 5 centimeter and 7 millimeter. So let us see. So it is 5 centimeter and 7 millimeters. So we are going to write it as 5.7 centimeter. Now you are going to write the lengths for pencil C and D. Good luck answering. All right. Once again, you're on your student's book, page 90. You are going to use a ruler to measure things on your desk. Everybody, get your ruler and look for something on your desk and you are going to measure it. For example, I found a rubber in my desk. So I'm going to measure this. My rubber is 2.5 centimeter long. So what do you think? What measurement do I use? It is because it's long, we use the length. Okay? Again, length. Now on your workbook, page 90, write H, height, or L for length in the boxes. So number 1 has already done for you, the helicopter. Look at this, children. So how long? It is the L, or stands for length. L stands for length. And you measure the tall. How tall is the helicopter? You measure the height. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You are going to answer it on your workbook. Good luck, children. Now this ends our